gangster, but y'all do that. The big boss dog, yeah, I had to do that. I keep a blue flag hanging out my backside, but only on the left side. Yeah, that's the thing. No other way to play the game the way I play. I cut so much, she thought I was a DJ. Chill, you big boy, jump 3. I'm S-N double O-P-T go double. I can't fake it, just break it. See what I think it. See, I specialize in making all the girls get. So bring your friends over, y'all come inside. We got a world for me right here, like this right. That don't change the diesel, turn it up a little. I got a living room full of fine John Grizzle. Waiting over pizzle, the dizzle, and the shizzle. G do the biz and the ladies, if we kizzle, when the pins in the crib, I'll drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you, walk it like it's hot. Walk it like it's hot. Walk it like it's hot. When if a nigga get an attitude, walk it like it's hot. Walk it like it's hot. Somebody sing this shit. What? See, I'm a bad boy with a lot of hoes. Drive my own cars, wear my own clothes. I ain't got tough, I'm a real boss. Big Snoop dog, yeah, he's so sharp. I'm on the TV screen and in the magazine. And if you play me folks, you want a red bean. Oh, you got a gun, so you want to pop back. AK-47 now, nigga, stop that. See, men's shoes, I'm on the move. Your family's crying and now you on the news. They can't find you, and now they miss you. Must I remind you, when only get to twist you. That's the whip you, dip you, and flip you, and dance to this motherfucking music we quit to. Subscribe, nigga, get your issue. Baby, come close, let me see how you get loose when the pimp's in the crib, ma. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. But when the pigs try to get at you, walk it like it's hot. Walk it like it's hot. Talk it like it's hot. But if a nigga get an attitude, pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Do anybody know my motherfucking name? Wait a minute. What's my motherfucking name? London, England, make some motherfucking noise! You know what? I like the way y'all said my name, but I sort of kind of like gonna try to say my name a little something like this. Everybody get up! Go, 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 go. What's my motherfucking name? What's my motherfucking name? From the depths of the sea, back to the rock, Snoop Doggy Dogg, I need a left up. I went solo on the dance, but it's still the same. Long Beach is the spot where I serve my game. Busy, I'm gonna need to fuck up shit. So I ain't holding that back. And motherfucker, I got 5 on the 20s. It's like that, as a matter of fact. See, cause I never hesitate to put a nigga on his back. London, England! What's my motherfucking name? What's my motherfucking name? Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. It's the mouths of the round when I'm creeping next rolling. Yes, rolling, Snoop Doggy. I'm in the motherfucking house like every day. And I'm right back up in your whip, not the truth. And like I say, you niggas came. Yeah, you niggas came. This shit that I got, cause you know we don't stop. Just the one thing coming on the motherfucking top. Tick-tock, never that rock, it's the blood center. Then I'm mopping motherfuckers and I'm getting blood. And then I'm stepping over, and I creep through it. Cause I'm Snoop Doggy, motherfucking name. What's my motherfucking name?